Hi Megan. To assemble your drawers, you're going to start with a front or a back, which is the one with the round edge. And you're going to put that down on the floor, and then you're going to put aside, there's these little nubs that go inside the other connectors. Just try to line that up. And they will allow you to line them up incorrectly, so just try to line up the edges. And then use the Allen wrench. And you don't want to over crank these. You can feel the tension on them when they're in place. Then you take the bottom and you put it in here. The notch on the side goes into the side, and then you'll take the other side and put it on. And the bottom will help you align it. And then use your Allen wrench again. And you take another front or back, because they're identical. Put it on. And that's that. And then the drawer is assembled.